Okay, today we will discuss about how to install the Eclipse in 2024. So for that, first I need to open the Chrome. So I will opening. Here need to search Eclipse, Eclipse or Java. So need to search like this and click enter. It will open. So click on first link. So it will come here. So we see here, we will see here. Here is the install your favorite desktop IDE package. This is the Eclipse. So download 86.64 beta. So click on download here. Download button. Here you need to click again download button. So you will see here Eclipse start downloading. So I will cancel it because I already have installed the Eclipse. So I cancelled it. After installing from here, it will come in the your desktop. So it shows the icon like this here, or if not it's showing icon here, you click here and search Eclipse. So it will come the like here like this icon, this gear icons. So click on this. So click on open. It will take some time to open. Eclipse is very good for coding, like for Java mainly, because it give the instruction where we make errors, mistakes. It will give the instruction, do like this, like this. So Eclipse, and moreover in all the software industry using this Eclipse software only to do the coding or creating the applications. So we will go through this Eclipse and we will follow in our tutorial also this Eclipse course, Eclipse software only. Okay, after clicking on that icon, we'll open this pop-up. So here we see the many applications. This application is provided by the Eclipse. So Eclipse is a company. This contain more apps like Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers, Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developer. For every languages, it's create this separate app or application. So we need for Java applications. So Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So we need to install this. So click on this. So click on here install. Here nothing need to change anything. Click on this. It will start installing here. So after completion fully to end, it will install. So after installing, we need to that app pop up on the desktop. So we need to open this Eclipse. So after opening this, it will ask this Eclipse IDE use the workspace direction to store it preference and development artifacts. Means it store the all your created code in this location. So I give the location for that. If you want to change the location, click on browse and choose your specific location and click on select. It will select that location. So I want this one only. I will leave it. If you don't, it shows the pop-up window every time you opening this Eclipse. If you not want to show this pop-up every time, click on this and click on launch. It will not show again, but I want this to show every time, so I don't click on that button. I clicking on launch. So it's opening the Eclipse IDE. This is a cracked version. It's not a paid version. It is free. So after launching, we see here automatic. It will not open automatically, but I am already downloaded and opened. It will show directly open. Before that, it will show some pop-ups windows. In that windows, it will shows you need to set up initial setups like background. I set it as a black. You want, if you want to set it to white, if you want set it white only, and it will create a new project, or you already have the projects. So click on create new project, then it will open like this, and this is the black. It will the blank page like this. It will be there, and these two are also not there. So for that, you need to first go here and new and create a package. From this, you start the create a package. Here you need to enter your name. Here I entered Java tutorials. Like this, you need to enter some name what you want, then click on finish. It will create the package be like this, like this is the package. I created Java tutorial package. No, this is that package. On this package, you need to create a class. For that, you need to click on the package and need to click on the right click. It will shows the new, go to new, and need to create a class. So select the class and give the class name. If what you want, give that name. After giving name, you need to click on finish. After clicking finish, it will create the class like this. This class is I created class palindrome.java. Need to enter only palindrome dot java is automatically taken. Need to enter vegetable main dot java is automatically taken. Like this, you need to create a class. Then here you need to start the writing the coding. So about coding and something else, we will see the next tutorial. This is how to install the Eclipse and set up the Eclipse in your desktop in 2024, and it is completely free. It is a cracked version, and it will shows the every option or every features for learning also, which paid Eclipse is showing the features, same features also it's showing in the free version also. So until next video, keep practicing, keep enjoying. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.